This isn't a boardroom story, it's an American one. When others were chasing margins overseas, we stayed here, on American soil, in American factories, with American hands. Because Seymour was never about shortcuts, never about leaving or turning our backs. We were built for the people who build, the wrench turners, the fabricators, the guys fixing fleets at 2 a.m., the women running production lines that don't stop for weekends. Different worlds, same grit. 70+ years later, Seymour still stands for one thing: made in the USA. And while others stamped their name on products made somewhere else, we stamped ours with pride, with accuracy, with performance proven where it matters most. From industrial floors to body shop bays, this is Seymour. American made since 1949 and never left.